So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Jimmy John's app. So first, download the app. Now that you've downloaded the Jimmy John's app, select either pickup or delivery. Before my order, I'm going to select pickup. Go ahead and enter in your zip code and hit continue. Then, select your store's location. Okay, so we've made it to the menu. And on the menu, you know that of course they sell subs, but they also have wraps as well. A couple of items that they do have here are the original JJ Combo, Little John's, just to name a few. And if you scroll down a little bit further, you have your sides and drinks. I think I'm just gonna go with the combo. These are all the different combo options that they have. I love me some barbecue. So for this order, we're gonna go with the giant barbecue ranch crunch. So go ahead and add in your name. When you want to customize your order, in the bottom left-hand corner, hit customize. This will pull up all the options for your sub. The first item that's up here is your chicken. Now depending on how much chicken you want, your price will vary. But remember, the less chicken you get won't change the price of your sandwich. So y'all get the gist. So whatever else you want to do to your sandwich, you can do it here. Ooh, I didn't even know that this sandwich came with tortilla chips. Once you're done, go ahead and hit save. So next, select your side. Here you have a variety of different items to choose from your fudge chocolate brownies all the way to your thin chips. Once you've selected your side, hit save. Now add your drink. We got bottled water, Monster Energy, bottled Coke, bottled Diet Coke, bottled Sprite, and bottled Simply Lemonade. And I'm gonna get a Sprite. Now that you've completed your order, hit add item. So here, review the order that we're going to place. This is the second to last step in completing your order. Everything is looking good so far. The store's location that I picked is correct. I want my food as soon as possible. And I have a date here. Right now the total is $21.75. Something that most apps do is that they'll have recommended for you. Basically, before you check out, they'll put some of these items in the bottom for you. So like here, they have fudge chocolate brownies here, chocolate chip cookies, and there's also a home potato salad. Now if everything looks good with your order, hit checkout. So with tax, this order is all in all going to be $23.16. Enter in your first name, last name, and email address. It's always good to add in your information so you can direct alerts about your order. Freaky Fast Rewards. Let's break this down. So basically, creating an account. The benefit for creating an account is that you get a free 8-inch. Only for members after their first order, using the Freaky Fast Rewards. Add in your birthday and create a password. Then select you have read the terms and conditions and hit create new account. Now you should get an email from Jimmy John's welcoming you to the Freaky Fast Rewards. Go ahead and add in your payment method. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Download the Jimmy John's app, available on the App Store or Google Play.